Hey loves, hey, it's me, your girl, Catherine Gage, also KGbeautywithin, your midwife, dreamer, and catalyst of change. And tonight, I just thought I would come to you with a couple of tips on how to relieve under eye puffiness and dark circles. And so we're going to be talking about the eyes tonight. And I thought it was very befitting to talk about that because you might have caught my latest video where I dealt with the downside of keratoconus, which I have an eye disease. And so I developed a corneal ulcer a couple of weeks ago, and I'm still undergoing healing. I'm not completely back at work, and I'm not able to wear my contact lens in my right eye, which is my main eye for vision, but only like 4 hours now, which is a blessing because I wasn't able to do it at all. But I must say, thankfully, that my left eye held up very well, and I'm so thankful to that because there was a time when this left eye, which is the eye that has the most disease in it, it would not hold a contact. So I'm truly blessed. You know, I've had the disease for 19 years, and I am just thankful that I have my vision. This eye disease is debilitating, but it has gotten to the point where it had stabilized. But this corneal ulcer came all of a sudden, and it was threatening my vision. If we didn't treat it aggressively, I could have went blind. So I'm so thankful to my my optometrist who worked with me and got me on the proper regimen and also with the proper rest. I am glad to say that that video, I'm gonna pop it up where you all can see that that video was just an update of where I was at, but I wanted to come back and update that things have gotten better because I gave you the downside, so now I got to give you the positive side that I'm blessed. So this just wanted to say that, and I want to say thank you all, my fans, for just being here with me, supporting me, and praying for me, and I am just so thankful for that. So tonight we're going to talk about 2 products for your eyes that will help with dark circles and under eye puffiness. And you know we're in the pandemic with the COVID-19 coronavirus. So if you're like me, things have really changed. You know, I'm working from home. When I was able to work from home, I really did love it. But we have children that are not going to school. We have parents that are homeschooling. We have parents that are you know, having to have their offices at home. So things are a bit chaotic. And even though the economy is trying to open back up slowly, we still have to be precautious. So I am so thankful that we've been able to go through this. So one thing that I have really been trying to focus on is just pampering my skin and getting my skin back up to par, because you know, when you're working and you're running a business sometimes, and I do my skincare, but there are nights that I don't do it all the way like I need to do it, or I'm rushing through the process, or I'm not giving myself that proper pampering that I really deserve and you deserve. So I just thought I would talk to you about 2 amazing products that can help with the under eye circle and the puffiness of the eyes. And the first one is the first product I want to talk about is called Indulging Soothing Eye Gel. And this comes in a very small little bottle, color very pretty, very nice chic product. And one tip that you can do is you can actually put this in the refrigerator and chill this for a more refreshing experience. This contains green tea extract. It's known for its free radical scavenging and skin calming property to tone, firm, and reduce the appearance of puffiness in the eye area. And you also know that the skin around your eyes is the most thinnest and the most delicate area of your face. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and you're going to take your ring fingers, because the ring fingers are the 2 weakest fingers. And so you're just going to take it, and it's just real nice. It feels real smooth and jelly. And you want to take that, and you just want to put that up under your eyes. And I go in my eye socket. I go all around my eye, and I'm just stippling. And I even take it up to my brow bone. And as you can see, it's lifting my eyes. It's really good for in the morning time when you wake up. This will be a good routine that you would want to add to your skincare regimen, especially if you have those puffy eyes. And you can do this like twice a week. And like I said, you can chill it in the refrigerator. And I did that for the first time, and I must say it really does feel soothing. So it feels real soothing. It's going to help you get all that puffiness. It's going to make you look more awake. Second product I want to talk to you about is our Hydrogel Eye Patches. And I absolutely love these. They are, it comes in a total of 30 pairs. You get 60 altogether. So, and you use them one time. Now these are like a pick-me-up patches. It delivers a refreshing burst of hydration to your eyes. Now your eyes need hydrations too. So it instantly cools and soothes, immediately boosts skin hydration, diminish the look of puffiness and dullness. Keep this on for 20 minutes. So, and it comes really pretty. It comes with a little spoon. Has a little spoon, so you don't have to take your hand and get them. And it comes in like it packs so it stays and locks in. That they're kind of slippery, so you want to kind of hold on to them. And what you want to do is you want to put this up kind of toward your nose and up, and kind of pat it in place. It's real cooling and soothing. It's filled with moisture. You can really feel that moisture as you put that on your eye. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's on there. The thing about this is that you can just go about with your life. You know, you can put this on, and since you got to keep it on for 20 minutes, you can go about your life and do other things. You can wash your dishes. You can do your laundry. You can just do quite a bit of things by yourself doing this. You just want to pat that on. It's super moisture, and I'm just gonna be honest. I have to acquire it because it's so moisture, and you know I need my eyes need to be hydrated, but I have a thing about wet things. Something with my OCD, so it takes a lot for me to put these on sometimes because of all that moisture. But it is very good for your skin. Very, very good for your skin. So I'm just putting that back in there. Sanitizer. But this is something that you really, really want to do to take care of yourself. You know, self-care is important, especially at this time. You know, with everything going on, you know, you have to take care of your mental state and taking care of your doing a pampering session or doing something like this to just get your mind off of things, so where you're not listening to the news and you're not hearing all the negative things. You know, just take time for yourself. And I am offering these pampering sessions. So to you moms, of course, if you have a consultant, get with your consultant. But if you don't have one, contact me. I'm offering them virtually, where we can just do them one-on-one right through my computer and Zoom, and me and you, or if you have friends, we can do these where you can do a pampering session. You just get in contact with me. I will send you all the products you need. We'll set up us a time, and we'll just have us some fun. I have giveaways when I do these sessions, and you know, and then introduce you some wonderful products. So I am offering those. And also, if you're an essential worker, and if you did not get one of the pink pamper packs that I sent out for our essential workers, our frontline staff. And essential worker doesn't necessarily mean that you are in the hospital field, but if you are working in the grocery store, or if you're working for the state like I am, if you're doing anything public service and you're still out there and you're risking your life and you would like to have a pink pepper pack, contact me and I will definitely get that to you. I'm gonna leave put the information in the description box where you can contact me if you want those, and I can send that to you. All I need is your address, and then if you want to sit down and we do this together, we can do this together. But that's what I am doing. It actually makes my eyes feel lifted. They feel really, really lifted. It almost feel like I'm giving myself a facelift or something up under my eyes, you know. So it feels really great. It really feels great. I am so excited about this product. You know, we come out with so many great things. We done came out with our summer product, so I'm so excited about that. In the comment section, what have you been doing to pamper yourself? What have you been doing to relax? And, you know, let me know what you've been doing. I know it's been trying, but we are making it. We are getting through this, you know. Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day. I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. We just celebrated Mother's Day on Sunday, and it was really, really special. You know, it wasn't the traditional where we got to go to church, but I got to listen to a message, you know, a couple of messages online, and my sisters came down, and we practiced social distancing. My daughter came and her husband, and it was just really great. My husband and my mom, it was real small, but it was really sweet and nice, and I really did enjoy it. I had a wonderful time, and I just want to say kudos to all the moms and even the fathers, you know, and it's Mother's Day. And I myself personally, I like to celebrate mothers on Mother's Day. I celebrate fathers on Father's Day. And I know some people say I'm the mama and the father. I was a single parent for many years. I just been married going on 6 years, and I just never could tell my daughter that I was her mom and her dad. I just couldn't. I said, you know what? I'm your mom. You have a father. I just couldn't take that role on because that's a huge role. But if you're doing that, kudos to you. And God bless you. I thank you all so much for praying for me. I had to reevaluate how blessed I was during this time of the corneal ulcer, because sometimes it's not that I took it for granted, but you know, I'm blessed because some people that have debilitating eye disease, they can't put contacts in their eyes and they can't function, and I'm able to drive. You know, I wasn't able to drive for a couple of weeks. Today was the first day that I got out because I had 4 hours. I had 4 hours to have my contact lens in my right eye, and I made great use of that. You know, I did all I could do for those 4 hours, and then my daughter and her husband came down and they drove me the rest of the day, and I really was appreciative of that. And it takes a lot for me to have to wait on people. I'm just always been the one. I'm used to always been the one there and doing. And so sometimes, you know, God, he slows you down, and just like he slowed this economy down, sometimes he slows us down, and we just have to take time to just say, okay, this is where I'm at. It's not where I want to be at right now, but I'm so grateful. I have vision. I have my eyesight. You know what? I can still wear my glasses. These glasses here, my sister came and found them because I couldn't find them, but they're not the glasses that I can just wear every day. They just get me around, you know, because I can't wear them to see as far as regular days, because they just made just to give me a little vision when things go wrong. So I'm thankful that, you know, these glasses were found. My left eye is holding up, and so I'm thankful. I have so many things to be thankful for, you know, and I chose to count my blessings. I'm not going to say that every day was easy, because if you saw my video with the downside of keratoconus, it was a downside day for me. I really was feeling a little down, and so, you know, I was trying to show another side, but I also wanted to show a positive side. So that's why I came back to talk about, you know, your eyes. I thought, what better way to treat my eyes, you know, with the corneal ulcer. And Why not treat my eyes tonight? Why not talk about the eyes? You know, the eyes, I think the eyes they show your soul. When you look into someone's eyes, you see their soul. If you look in their eyes, you can see their soul. You really can see in the eyes. So you need to take care of those eyes because it tells the story of your life. Your eyes will tell. It tells if you're sad. It tells if you're happy. It tells if you had a long day. And just because we had a long day don't mean we want everybody to kind of know it all the time. So these are starting to want to come off. So you know what? I think I've been talking about 10 minutes. So we're going to take these off. Oh my God. Look, do you all see how bright my do you all see this? Do you all see this? Oh my God. And the leftover that was there, you just take that and just massage it into the leftover that was on the patches. You just take that and massage that in. You can take it and massage it into your hands. And I'm just gonna get me just a little bit of the oil, just a little bit of natural or sweet oil, and just put a little drop. Just put a little bit drops on my face to just finish up this eye soothing. So y'all, wow, that's just awesome. Just, oh, wow. So that was our eye sessions today, and we'll be bringing more. So this is just a way to relieve the puffiness and darkness on your eyes, to give your eyes hydration, and just enjoy yourself. Remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective, and everything do fall in place. Y'all have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.